I don't usually do yes and no questions for like journaling, um, because I have other methods to have yes and no questions. I use my body. My body responds like a pendulum. I also use a pendulum sometimes. So and muscle testing. I don't know if I mentioned that. So yes and no questions. I have like a volume of methods to get insight on those. I mean, I can use muscle testing for everything from college courses or supplements that would serve my highest good. And when I'm muscle testing, it's me asking like my higher self, the most knowledgeable, divine part of me, is it in my best interest to go to the zoo tomorrow and it'll break? If it's a yes, it locks. Um, there's training material inside my curriculum around this, but there's lots of different ways to muscle test. It's one of the first things that I encourage people to learn how to do, especially if your mind has a tendency to interfere in the process of deliberation. Um, so definitely reach out about that, and that may even help you sew up some edges. Using a pendulum, I think, comes with a bit of finesse. We can energetically and mentally influence the sway of a pendulum, so it doesn't really work if unless you're able to get neutral, detached, and observant, meaning you don't stare at it and you don't impose your thoughts on it. If you can get yourself to a space where you're good either way, I'm good either way, whether it's a yes or a no, then I would recommend using a pendulum. I always recommend holding it outside of our energy field and don't look at it. Just ask the question. A lot of times I even close my eyes so that I don't influence it, and then I open them after I have posed the question and I can feel it already indicating an answer. So it's just a couple of tips if you wanted to use a pendulum for some yes and no questions.
Thank you so much for checking out this video today. Be sure to like the video, share, subscribe to my channel. And if you really had a wonderful experience on this video, I invite you to share your reflections in the comments section. I love reading those. And if you would like to explore some more of my juicy magic and medicine, please visit my website at newearthmagicschool.com and register for my email list. I've got some things that you're going to love exploring. And if you would like to join our wonderful safe space on Facebook, we have a beautiful community called Be Your Own Guru. Until next time, bye bye.